Probability of capital X less than or equal to small x. Okay. In case of discrete variable, it will become as a summation, and in case of the continuous variable, it will become as an integration. Okay. Those two are important for you. Okay. So capital F of x for continuous will be minus infinity to x f of x dx. This is the formula in your continuous case. Discrete is very easy. Just you are going to add everything as a cumulative value, you are going to get the answer. So whatever it is, we are using various notations. Okay, f small f of x or write like that one. But what is the important condition? In probability, what is the important condition? 0 to 1. Always the total probability value should be 1. Whether it is for the continuous case or for discrete case, always the total probability value should be equal to 1. Never forget that. Okay. They give you a question for a problem. They give you a question. Is that okay? No. Remember, so a random variable takes as the following probability distribution: x value starting from 0 to 7, and p of x values in terms of k. Have you written or not? Yes. Yes. So what are the things you have to find? Value of k and some probability value, then smallest value of lambda. Three subdivisions are given. Okay, one. So whether it is mentioned in the statement or not, whatever it is, whether it is continuous case or discrete case, it should not have an unknown value. Everything should be only a numerical value. So how p of x is defined here? See the question. For x equal to 0, what is the probability value? 0. X equal to what? Okay. X equal to 2? 2. Okay. And it goes on. Okay. Second line is the corresponding probability value. Okay. Probability value should not have any unknown values. It should be a value which is going to lie between 0 and 1. Okay. Whether in the question asked or not, if you are having any unknown in the probability, you should find it. You should not solve the problem with unknown values. Okay, here they have asked find the value of k as the first part. Even they don't ask also, first you have to find that unknown, then only you have to proceed with the corresponding problems. How will you find the k? Others? What is the condition? Total probability value is 1. Can we complete that also? What is the condition we know? When you add all the probability value, it should be equal to 1. Okay, using that condition, easily you can find what is here. So start the solution. Start the solution. First subdivision. We know that summation of pi equal to 1. Total of all probability value equal to 1. Add all the probability values given: 0 plus k plus 2k plus 2k plus 3k plus 3k plus k square. K square plus 2k square plus 7k square plus 3. So when you add all these things, you should get the answer as 1. Now combine everything. How many k square are there? How many k square? 10k square. How many k's are there? 9. Others? 9. And you have 1 on the right hand side, no? Bring it to the left hand side. The signs will change. Since it is plus, it will become minus. Minus 1 equal to 0. We are getting this as a quadratic equation. Solve it. Quadratic equation solving. If you don't know this, take the help of the calculator. Find the roots. Or quadratic solving means multiply this two. What is 10 into minus 1? Minus 2. So you must take this 9k such that you are going to get this answer. When you multiply it as minus 10, when you add, you must get it as 9. You have to choose two numbers such that when you multiply, you must get the answer as minus 10. When you add, you must get it as 9. This 9k is written as k minus 1. Now combine the common terms. What is common in the first two? K into 2. If you take it outside, what is the remaining? K plus 1. What is common in this four? Minus 1. If you take it outside, k plus 2. So you get the factors as 10k minus 1 into k plus 1 equal to 0. All the things you should know, ma. Okay, so what is k value?
1 by 10.
K equal to 1 by 10 and k equal to minus 1. From this you get 1 by 10, from the second one minus 1. Now you have to decide which is the correct value for k.
1 by 2.
Why 1 by 2?
Minus the
Yes, always the probability value should be positive. If you take k as minus 1, probability will become negative. So we are going to choose k is equal to 1 by 10. So right, since probability is positive, assume k equal to 1 by 10. K is equal to 1 by 10. Okay, ma? So see the second one. First part is over. What is the second one you have to find? Probability of 1.5 less than x less than 4.5 given x greater than 2. Okay, what probability is this one? Inner probability. Given I'll tell you. Conditional probability. Okay, you know the formula P of A given B. P of A given B, what is the formula? P of A intersection P by P of B. Numerator will be combination of both. Denominator will be the second two. So now we are going to solve this one using our conditional probability formula. So continue second one. Write the question. Right? This is equal to probability of. So this is our A and this is our B. Numerator will be intersection of both. So 1.5 less than x less than 4.5 intersection x greater than 2. Divided by probability of x greater than 2. A intersection B by B. Now for this intersection, you have to choose the points by sigma correctly. What is the range given for first one? 1.5 to 4.5. What are the values between this range? Question 1.5 to 4.5 by 4, any values? 3 values. 2, 3, 4. It does not have any decimal values or any integer. So range values of the 3 values. So for this one it will be 2, 3, 4. The second one is x greater than 2. What are the possible values? 3, 4, etc. to 7. 3 to 7. So intersection means what is the meaning? Intersection is common elements. What is the common values between both? 3, 4. 3, 4. We are going to get only 2 values. So numerator is probability of x equal to 3 plus probability of x equal to 2. Divided by. What will be denominator? Greater than 2 is 3 to 7. All the values that are considered. So probability of x equal to 3 plus probability of x equal to 4 etc. up to 7. All these values you know, ma. Just to make the simplification easy, you write the values first with k. Then in the final step you replace k value. So what is x equal to 3 value? 2. X equal to 4? 3. Add from 3 to 7. Okay, but add 3 to 7 find all the values. 9k square. 9 or 10? 10k square plus 6k. Others? 3 and 7 by 4 probability 1 by 10 plus 6 by 10. Correct or not, ma? Case factors what happened? 10 into 1 by 10 into 1 by 10. So 1 10 will get cancelled. You take as 1 by 10. Now simplify further. 5 by 7. 6 plus 1 7. Common denominator means add 1 in the numerator. 6 plus 1 will give you 7. Numerator also denominator 10 is there. Denominator also denominator 10 is there. So both will get cancelled off. Answer is 5 by 7. If you don't know to do calculation in the fraction means take the help of your calculator and write the answer in decimals. It's not compulsory that you will do it in fraction. Just substitute everything in your calculator and write the final answer in decimals. Is the problem over? One more subdivision. What is that one? Smallest value of lambda for which p of x less than or equal to lambda is greater than 1 by 2. Can you understand the meaning of this one? Let me just recover. Lambda சொல்லிருக்காங்கல. You have to find that in x or in probability. You have to find lambda number. It is the corresponding x value or probability value. X value. You have to identify a minimum value of x such that the probability value will be greater than 1 by 2. Okay, எந்த x value வரும்போது நம்மளோட probability value வந்து 1 by 2 ஓட அதிகமா இருக்கும். Minimum value of x. How will you find it? Yes. ஒவ்வொரு x க்கும் cumulative எடுக்கணும். Okay, எந்த x ல வருதுன்னா நம்ம என்ன பண்ணணும்? cumulative ஒட்டுமொத்தமா ஆட் பண்ணி பார்த்தா தான் நமக்கு வரும்போது எங்க வந்து greater than 1 by 2 வரும்னு தெரியும். So you are going to start with the cumulative probability. Okay, so third one, probability of x equal to 0. Probability of x equal to 0 is equal to 0. நம்ம ஏன் cumulative போறோம்னா it is asked for less than or equal to lambda, not equal to. So we are adding all the possible cases. What is the next one? If you want, you can write also this to be probability of x less than or equal to 0. Less than or equal to 0, how many x values are there? Only one. So we consider x equal to 0. Second one, probability of x less than or equal to 1. What are the values possible? Two values, 0 and 1. So probability of x equal to 0 plus probability of x equal to 1. What is the answer? K. What is K? 1 by 2. Whether it is greater than 1 by 2, 1 by 2, what is the decimal value? 0.5. Whether 1 by 10 is greater than 0.5? No. So we go for the next one. Okay, your target is 0.5. Probability of x less than or equal to 2. What are the values possible? 0, 1 and 2. X equal to 0 to 2. Answer 3 by 3k, which is 3 by 3. Whether this is greater than 0.5? No. So go for the next value. X equal to 4. So x equal to 3. Give me the answer. Add 0 to 3. 5k. So 5k means 5 by 8. What is 5 by 8? 1 by 2. Whether we can stop? 1 by 2 is equal. What is our question? Greater. So go for the next value. Answer problem in your decision quiz. Okay வா? இதை தவிர வேற என்ன கேட்கலாம்னா you can go for one more subdivision, find the cumulative distribution function. So the cumulative is that the same thing what you have done here. We have stopped up to 4 since our target was greater than 1 by 2. If it is cumulative means like this we have to proceed till the last value of x. You have to find what is x equal to 5, x equal to 6 and x equal to 7. For each probability value we will do like this one. Okay, that is what can be asked. It can be asked generally as a distribution function or cumulative distribution function, both are same. Okay, just one question. We are going to find the probability value for the last one. What should be the answer in cumulative? How will you find cumulative now? First value only that one. When you go for the second value, 1, 2. When you go for the third value, 1, 2, 3. Like this you are going to go to the last value. When you go to the last value, you are going to add right from the first value till the last one. What should be the answer? It should be 1. Okay, remember that one. Whenever you are going to find a cumulative, for the last one the answer should be equal to 1. Because the total probability value is 1. In the last one, you will consider பண்ணுவீங்க. So what should be the answer? 1. That is your possibility. If you don't take that answer as 1 means you have made some mistakes in your probability value. Okay, if that is not asked also, you can check by yourself. How will you identify whether K is right or wrong? The first step you found out K. How will you verify K is right or wrong? Same. When you substitute and K and add everything, the final answer should be 1. If you get the final answer as 1, the value what you got is the right one. Otherwise, your K is a wrong one. Because K is the basic thing for solving this problem. If K is wrong, what will happen? All the existing states are absent. So whenever you find an unknown, cross verify whether it is right or wrong and then proceed with the next one. Next step. Okay? Any other doubts? So now the questions will be like this for you. Other type of questions means maybe asked to find what is probability of x less than or equal to 3. How will you find probability of x less than or equal to 3? How will you find? Say cumulative. From which one to which one? 0 to 3. Okay, well 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3. You add all the probability values. Find probability of x greater than 5. Greater than 5. 6 and 7. Only 6 and 7 you have to calculate and write that answer. Okay, in this is the type of questions. Other than that, based on that conditional probability. Okay, my this will be easy because it is only addition. But when you go to continuous, what are you going to use? Integration. So you should recall here basic integrations. Okay, that is enough. You are not going to get any complicated integration formulas. Just algebraic or some rare cases you may get for trigonometry. Okay, but complicated integrations will not be there. Everyone knows algebraic integration, right? What is integral of x power n? X power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. If you know that one, it is possible. Okay, apart from that one, you may need for integration by parts. Integral of u dt. That's very rare one, but integral u dv, what is the formula? u minus integral of v dt. Or whatever format you have memorized, that is your choice. Okay, only those basic integration you are going to use. Everyone knows that, right? Should I start with continuous problem? So take down. And remember so that 1 week before I gave you a practice problem, right? They give you a practice problem or no? Finish? Everyone? Anyone has not completed? Anyone? Why? Those who are not completed, raise your hands. Those who are not completed, random variable x has the PDF. The random variable x has the PDF. Has the PDF. What is PDF? Probability density function. Write in small letters, don't write in capital 1 by 4 less than x less than 1 by 2. Probability of x greater than 3 by 4 given x greater than 1 by 2. We will find three different probability values. Tell me whether this is discrete or continuous. Whether the given problem is discrete or continuous. Others should remain in silence. Discrete or continuous. Because if you don't know that basic statements, you can't solve the problem. You will not be able to identify how to solve it. Why continuous? Continuous is right. But why you are saying it is continuous? Yes? The third page, the last question. Why it is continuous? Why it is continuous? Or is it discrete? Is it continuous or discrete? Already in previous class I explained so much about the discrete and continuous. Continuous. Why continuous? Come to the first bench. No excuse. Come. Why continuous? No? Sit down now. Listen to the class. Okay? Sit. So why it is continuous? Because x is defined for all x values between 0 to 1. Okay, simple as சொல்லணும்னா ஒரு interval formula கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. Okay, 0 less a less than x less than b. இல்ல ஒரு open bracket close bracketல a, b னா அது interval form. Interval formula வந்ததுனா அது continuous. அப்படி இல்லாம x equal to x1, x2, x3 அந்த மாதிரி கொடுத்துட்டாங்க. it becomes a discrete. We just for your identification. Okay, continuous or discrete? Continuous. Okay, what is the first one? Let's find probability of x less than 1 by 2. Less than 1 by 2 means what is the starting value and what is the end value? Overall value is 0 to 1. What is the value given here? 1 by 2. 1 by 2 will be somewhere between here. Okay. So what you have to find x less than 1 by 2. Less than enough. Below. All the values below 1 by 2. So how will you start the value and end the value? 0 to 1 by 2. Okay, because in the integration the end points are not considered much. If you write it as 0 to 1 by 2, it is not going to affect our solution. Okay, since it is continuous, we are going to do our integration. Integral of 0 to 1 by 2 f of x. Okay, this series you are going to add, continuous means you are going to integrate. So 0 to 1 by 2 f of x is. What is f of x given? 2x. Substitute and integrate. 0 to 1 by 2, 2x is. 2 is a constant, you can take it outside. What is integral of x? X square by 2. In a formula. X power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Here n value is equal to 1. So 2 into a square by 2. Within the limit 0 to 1 by 2. 2 cancels. How will you substitute the limit value? Upper limit minus lower limit. What is upper limit? 1 by 2. So 1 by 2
we are substituting x into x.
Why you are substituting?
So it should be less than 1 by 4, right? X value should be less than.
Need not substitute. Now what is the question? Find all the property values for x ranging from 0 to 1 by 2. 0 to 1 by 2 எத்தனை வேல்யூஸ் இருக்கு? Infinite. அந்த infinite எல்லாத்தையும் சேர்த்து நீ ஆட் பண்ணி சொல்ற வேல்யூ தான் 1 by 2. நீ அதை கூட நீங்க சப்ஸ்டிட் பண்ணா லாஜிக்கலி you can substitute. and இதோட ஆன்சர் என்ன? 0 to 1 not for 0 to 1 by 2. so இங்க வந்து சப்ஸ்டிட் பண்ணினா இது சப்ஸ்டிட் ஆகும். Completed the first one. Now go for the second one. What is the second one? 1 by 4 less than x less than 1 by 2. What is the starting limit? 1 by 2. Ending one? 1 by 2. Integrate. Integral 1 by 4 to 1 by 2. 2x into this. Again same logic. Integral of x will be x square by 2 to 2 cancels. So x square within the limit 1 by 4 to 1 by 2. X equal to 1 by 2, 1 by 2 minus x equal to 1 by 4, 1 by 16. No need to take LCM and make complicated one. Put it in your calculator and give me the answer. What is the answer? 3 by 16. Those who don't know LCM, don't worry. Just put this value in your calculator and write the answer in this. That's all. Yes. Shall we go for the third one? So what is the third one you have to find? X greater than 3 by 4 given x greater than 1 by 2. What probability is this one? Conditional. Again take this of the formula A given B. What is the formula? A intersection B divided by P of A. Apply the formula for the third one. So numerator will be probability of x greater than 3 by 4 intersection x greater than 1 by 2 divided by probability of x greater than 1 by 2 A intersection B by B. Now tell me the range for numerator.
3 by 4 to 1.
What are the values that are having 3 by 4 and 1 by 2? So whether 3 by 4 is greater than 1 by 2 or less than 1 by 2? Lesser than 1 by 2. What is 3 by 4 answer? 0.75. What is 1 by 2 answer? 0.5. So in which place 3 by 4 should come? Before 1 by 2 or after 1 by 2? Okay, but we got intersection in the arranging value. If you don't know this, draw it and identify. What is the first one? X greater than 3 by 4. Greater than 3 by 4 means 3 by 4 to 1. What is the second one? Greater than 1 by 2. Greater than 1 by 2 means 1 by 2 to 1. What is the common part? 3 by 2. Common part. 3 by 4. Common part. What is the common part? 3 by 4 to 1. In the area full common number. So what is the range? 3 by 4 to 1. So numerator will be integral 3 by 4 to 1 2x dx divided by. What is the denominator? Greater than 1 by 2. So what is your answer? Integral 1 by 2 to 1 2x dx greater than 1 by 2. Integrate and give me the answer. Simple algebraic integration. Any doubts, get it clarified. Tell me how you got the answer. Ma, if you come across this types of problems in a question paper, you are lucky, ma. To get pass mark. Okay, in some cases, if you are given more some number of subdivisions, it can be asked as a 16 mark question also. Okay, chances are less for that, but that is also possible. So you should make yourself thorough with the basic things. Shall we proceed? Answer is 7/12. Yes? Everyone, shall we go for the next one? What are you doing? Calculate or okay? Okay, shall we proceed to the next one? Okay, next problem. A continuous random variable x. A continuous random variable x. A continuous random variable x has probability function f of x equal to k by 1 plus x square. F of x equal to k by 1 plus x square, comma, minus infinity less than x less than infinity. Minus infinity less than x less than infinity. Find the cumulative distribution function. Find the cumulative distribution function of x. So in short, this can be asked as CDF. What is CDF? Cumulative distribution function. Okay, only one thing you have to find. What do you have to find? Cumulative function. Do you all know the formula? What is the formula? Capital F of x is equal to probability of capital X less than or equal to small x. Okay, we are going to make use of that formula to find the CDF. So start the solution. Cumulative distribution function is equal to capital F of x is equal to probability of capital X less than or equal to small x. This is the general definition. Okay. So for continuous case, the formula will be integral minus infinity to x f of x dx. Okay. f of x எங்க வேணாலும் டிஃபைன் ஆகிக்குமா, இந்த எந்த இன்டர்வல்ல டிஃபைன் ஆகிட்டா கூட we have to start that lower limit only from minus infinity to x value. Okay, wherever x is going to lie or wherever f of x is defined, that doesn't matter, but always the lower limit we have to start only from minus infinity. That should never change. Okay, how will you solve for this problem? Where f of x is defined? Minus infinity to plus infinity. This x is an unknown variable. It can be any point between minus infinity to plus infinity. X in here or it can be here or it can be here or it can be here. But it is defined as only one integral. So substitute your f of x and integral. Okay, substitute integral minus into x. What is f of x? K by 1 plus x square into dx. How do you integrate? K is a variable or constant? Constant. Take it outside the integration. What is the integral of 1 by 1 plus x square? Here one of the standard formula in integration, trigonometric also. Not sine. Others? What is the answer? Tan inverse of x by e. Tan inverse of x by e. Here what is the a value? 1, because it is 1 by 1 plus x square. So a value is equal to tan inverse of x within the limit minus infinity to x, because a value is substitute the limit values k into what is the upper limit, x is equal to x itself, so it will remain as tan inverse of x minus lower limit, that is substitute x as minus infinity. What is tan inverse of minus infinity? Okay, what is tan of minus theta, ma? Tan of minus theta? Tan theta itself. Okay, tan of minus theta is same as finding tan theta. The result holds good for inverse also. So tan inverse of minus theta is same as finding tan inverse of theta. Okay, what is tan inverse of infinity? And there's two days to take 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. And the angle value is for which value will be infinity? 90. You are good with that one? Let us recall. That 6 values will be memorized for sine, cos and tan. For sine and cos the same set of values, for cos it will be reversed. Tan different set of values. You are good with it? So what is tan inverse of infinity? 90. What is the angle value? 5/2. That's all your answer. In continuous case, distribution function will be a function of x itself. It will not be a value. ஏன்னா நம்ம இன்டெகிரேட் பண்ணும்போது என்ன பண்றோம், மைனஸ் இன்ஃபினிட்டில இருந்து x வரைக்கும் தான் சொல்றோம். x என்னென்ன ஒரு பர்టిక్యులர் வேல்யூ நம்ம சொல்ல முடியாது, it can be any value in it. So in continuous caseல கண்டுபிடிக்கும் போது distribution function will be a function of x itself. Okay, any doubt? How? This one. How 5/2? What is tan inverse of infinity? Give me angle value. 0. Okay, so angle is 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. Tan or angle value is 0. Tan 0 is 0. 1/√3. 1 √3 infinity. N infinity value is 90. So 5/2. Understood? Any doubt? Should I proceed to the next problem? Yes. What is the mistake we are done here for? Minus infinity. That is what I told you. Tan inverse of minus infinity same as tan inverse of infinity. Brackets doesn't matter. If you put flower bracket or open bracket, close bracket or square bracket, that doesn't matter. One major mistake. If you solve like this, you will not get it. Then do what? Can you solve any problem with unknown value? K கண்டுபிடிக்க. நான் first starting ல என்ன சொன்னேன்? क्वेश्चन K காமல இல்லையோ ஸ்டேட்மென்ட்ல ஒரு unknown value இருந்தா first நீ என்ன பண்ணணும்? unknown கண்டுபிடிச்சு தான் நீ problem ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணனும் நான் சொன்னேன். That you never remember, not even a single person remember. So we continue with the flow. Okay. Now whatever points I'm telling you, all those are important points to solve the problems. Now the same concept only you are going to discuss in the distributions also. And the distribution எல்லாம் படிக்கிறதுனா இந்த basic எல்லாத்தையும் படிச்சுக்கணும். Okay, and the basic points on the remembrance இல்லனா you can't solve the problems. So whenever there is one unknown value in p of x or f of x, first you have to find that one. Then only you must start solving with the other steps. K is a constant, take it outside. This is the same procedure. What is integral of 1 by 1 plus x square? Tan inverse of x. Within the limit, minus infinity plus infinity equal to 1. Tell me what is tan inverse of infinity? Pi by 2. Upper limit minus lower limit. Tan inverse of minus infinity? Again, pi by 2. Because minus theta is the same answer as plus theta. So pi by 2. Will you make a mistake? Should not take answer 0.
Minus of minus plus
One second. No, no. 1 second. Tan of minus theta is minus tan theta. After that minus tan is one. Minus tan theta. Cos மட்டும் தான் plus வரும். Sin and tan வந்து minus வரும். Another cancel. Okay, tan of minus theta is minus tan theta. So இது என்ன வரும் our answer plus pi. Okay, so இங்க என்ன answer வரும் plus pi by 2. That is equal to 1. What is pi by 2 plus pi by 2? 2 pi by 2. 2 cancel. Supply pi. So what we are taking right now? 1 by 1. K equal to 1 by 1. So this should be the first step. CDF should be the second step. So the final answer, substitute your K value and delete it. Substitute the K value and delete your answer. Capital F of x is equal to 1 by pi into tan inverse of x plus pi by 2. That should be your last step by replacing K. Here, any doubt? Will you ever forget the unknown value? If you forget means, you will not be getting marks. Because without knowing K, you can't solve the other steps. So automatically the marks will be reduced for that. Logic without the K reduction தான் okay, that doesn't matter. Okay, but never give an answer with any unknown constants. Okay, now capital F of x will be in terms of unknown variable. That is accepted. X irukla variable la irukla. But unknown constants oda or answer kuda எழுதக்கூடாது. Okay, any doubt? Okay, take down next one. Find the distribution function of x. Find the distribution function of x whose PDF. Find the distribution function of x whose PDF is f of x is equal to x for the interval 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1, 2 minus x for the interval 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 2, 0 for x greater than or equal to 2. We have defined f of x into 3 parts. Okay. How will you solve now? In a condition, what is supposed to find? K. Whether there is any K in the question? No, then why need to find K? See the question, find the distribution function. Distribution function means capital F of x. Distribution function நாலும் சரி, cumulative distribution function நாலும் சரி, ரெண்டுமே உண்டு. You are supposed to find what is capital F of x. Okay, so right, start the solution. Capital F of x is equal to probability of capital X less than or equal to small x. continuous, the formula will be integral minus into 2x f of x is. How will it take now? What f of x will substitute? X. Why not 2 minus x or why not 0? Total probability should be 1. So if I add all these three functions, it should be 1. But we are trying to find what is the distribution function. Okay, this is slightly different from our previous problem. Previous problem, we distribution function கண்டுபிடிச்சோம். But அதை interval என்ன கொடுத்தாங்க? அது definition. Your definition is that you have to start only from the least lower code. Okay. So in the previous problem, what happened is that there was only one interval, minus infinity to plus infinity. And upper limit in the x. In the minus infinity to plus infinity, எங்க நான் x எடுத்தாலும் அதோட f of x மாறாது. Yes or no? And f of x ஒண்ணா தான் டிஃபைன் பண்ணிருக்கோம். 1 by 1 plus x square. So நான் x இங்க டிஃபைன் பண்ணாலும் சரி, இங்கனாலும் சரி, இங்கனாலும் சரி. But f of x மாறுமா? மாறாது. அதனால அது ஒரே இதுல போட்டு முடிச்சோம். But when you come to this case, okay, எப்பவுமே full real line ல தான் distribution function discuss பண்ணனும், not only the given interval. Okay, how many parts it is divided? 3 parts. What are they? நீங்களே define பண்ணிடுங்க. 0 to 1. Next 1 to 2. 2 to infinity. இது எழுதி பாருங்க. உங்களுக்கு எத்தனை intervals வரும்? 4 intervals வருதா? minus to 0, 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to infinity. நம்ம எடுக்க போற இந்த x வந்து இந்த இன்டர்வல்ல எங்க வேணாலும் இருக்கு. அப்படினா ஒவ்வொரு இன்டர்வல் இருந்தா ஒரு ஆன்சர் என்னங்கிறத நான் இன்டர்வல் டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ணுவோம். Not discuss for each interval separately. Okay, x if it is going to lie between minus infinity to 0, what will be my distribution function? If it is going to lie between 0 to 1, what is the answer? Similarly for the remaining. Can you understand the difference now? A previous problem split பண்ணல, இங்க A split பண்றோம் இருக்குல்ல. Okay, because there it is defined as only one f of x. So no splitting was not necessary. But here it is defined in 3 different regions. So we are splitting and doing the discussion for each interval separately. Just for a reference now, minus into 0, what is f of x? 0 to 1, what is f of x? X. 1 to 2, minus 2 minus 2 to infinity, 0. Now check it for minus into 0. And f of x defined R. F of x in the interval defined R. Then what will the answer? 0. It is not defined. So here also f of x is equal to 0. Understood? Make a real line and do the splitting like this. So it will be easy for you to discuss. Shall we continue? Yes? Have you done? Yes? Now write. If x belongs to the interval minus infinity to 0. We have to identify. Assume that x is somewhere here. What is our definition? Integral minus infinity to x, f of x is. So இப்போ நம்ம என்ன சொல்லிருக்கோம்? x இந்த இன்டர்வல் இருக்கு. அதுல f of x என்ன? 0. So what will be integral value? 0. Just one line answer because f of x is not defined. Second case, we are going to assume that x is going to lie between 0 to 1. Okay? If x belongs to the interval 0 to 1, integral minus infinity to x, f of x is. That's definition. Okay, any interval எடுத்தாலும் என்ன பண்ணனும்? You have to start the lower limit from minus infinity. So what you are going to do? Start from minus infinity up to x you are going to integrate. It is one integration or two integration. ஒரே பார்ட்டா ரெண்டு பார்ட் இருக்கு. ரெண்டு பார்ட். இந்த minus into 0 க்கு ஒரு f of x. 0 to x க்கு another f of x. So you have to split them into two integral parts. So integral minus into 0 f of x dx plus integral 0 to x f of x dx. புரியுதாமா? மைனஸ் இன்ஃபினிட்டி x வரைக்கும் நீ வரணும். வரணும் எப்படி இருக்கு? மைனஸ் இன்ஃபினிட்டி x இந்த பாயிண்ட்க்கு நீ நடந்து வர. அப்ப எதனால கிராஸ் பண்ணி வரணும்? மைனஸ் இன்ஃபினிட்டி 0. அப்புறம் 0 ல இருந்து 1 x x வரைக்கும் தான் வரும். அப்ப மைனஸ் இன்ஃபினிட்டி 0 ல வேற f of x இருக்கா? f of x என்ன? 0. அதனால அது தனி இன்டெகிரேஷன் இருக்கு. So 0 to x க்கு f of x வேற இருக்கா? So we define that as another one. Okay, what is the answer for the first one? 0. It is not defined. What is f of x here? X. What is the integral of x? X squared by 2. Within the limit 0 to x. What will the answer? Upper limit it substitute x as x itself. Lower limit x is equal to 0. So your answer is x squared by 2. After limit how 1 now? We are going to integrate only from minus infinity to x only. We are not going to 1. Understood? Should we go for the third case? What is the third case? If x is going to lie between 1 and 2. What is going to happen if x lies between 1 and 2? Again the same. Capital F of x equal to minus into x. F of x dx. So minus infinity equal to x which is a 1 to 2. So what are the spelling? Minus infinity to 0, 0 to 1, 1 to 6. So here are going to take as 3 substitutions. Minus infinity to 1 வந்து நீ டைரக்டா வர முடியாது. ஏனா minus infinity to 0 க்கு f of x வந்து 0. 0 to 1 க்கு f of x என்ன? x. ரெண்டும் மாறுறதுனால we take it as 2 substitution. Okay. Integral minus infinity to 0 f of x dx. Plus integral 0 to 1. 0 to 1 what is f of x? X. A to dx. Plus integral 1 to 2. Sorry, 1 to x. So 1 to 2 what is f of x? 2 minus x. So 2 minus x into x. First one what is the answer? 0 because f of x is 0. Second one x squared by 2. Yes. Okay. Next one. What is integral of 2? Integral of 2 is 2x. What is integral of x? Within the limit 1 to x. Substitute the limit values carefully. So upper limit we are going to substitute as 1. So 1 by 2. Lower limit will become 0. The third one upper limit is x. So you will get it as 2x minus x squared by 2. Lower limit we substitute x as 1. So 2 minus 1 by 2. Lower limit find the answer. 2x minus x squared by 2. That's it. Constant. 1 by 2 minus 2 plus 1 by 2. 1 by 2, 1 by 2 is 1. 1 by 2 is 1 by 2 is 1. What is 1 minus 2? Minus 2. That is all I am telling you, ma. Numerical values means input the data in the calculator and write the answer in decimals. Don't be confused in that part. Okay. Should I go for the last case? I told you to do parallel writing. No, you are not doing that. You should do parallel. That is what the policy is. belongs to the case 2 to infinity. If you complete copying this, let me have a voice. Let's start the last case. Answer? For which one? Last case, not one day. Okay, boys, copy this. Still copy. Whatever is possible with this, write for each. Should we start the next one? Right, last case. If x belongs to 2 to infinity. If x is going to lie between 2 to infinity. So from which interval you are going to start the integration? Minus infinity. Over including தனியா define பண்ணுங்க. Always the lower limit starts coming from minus infinity. My x integral is not over. The lower limit starts coming from minus infinity. Okay. How many splitting you will get? 4. What are they? Minus 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1 to 2 and 0 to 6. So first one minus infinity to 0 plus 0 to 1. What is f of x? 0 to 1. What is f of x? X. Here it will be 0. Plus integral 1 to 2. What is f of x? 2 minus x into plus integral what to what? Variance into 0, 0 to 1, 1 to 2. Next one should be 2 to x. For this, what is f of x? What is the answer? I can write directly the answer as 1. I need not do integration also. Why? Because the total probability value is 1. So நீ இந்த கேஸ் வரும்போது உனக்கு டிஃபைன் பண்ண எல்லா f of x எடுத்தீங்களா இல்லையா? அப்படியே நீ ஆன்சர் கண்டிப்பா என்னதான் இருக்கணும்? 1 ஆக இருக்கு. So let us see the justification. Since integral of f of x dx equal to no need to do the integration at all. Because you have considered all the possible cases. Any doubt, ma'am? Yes. So we discussed what is probability. Then we discussed what is random variable. Now we are going to discuss what is the moments. Moments is nothing but the measurement value of the corresponding random variables. It is nothing but the measurements. Okay. Already we have come across all those terms. Mean, standard deviation, variance, yes or no? The same things here we are going to discuss along with the probability values. What is mean, ma'am? Add everything and divide by the total number of vehicles. Okay, average. Okay, wow. That we have done only for a set of values alone. Now we are going to discuss all those measurements along with the probability value. That is called as our moments. So take down moments. M-O-M-E-N-T-S, moments. Moments. We are going to discuss two moments now. One is called as the moment about origin and the other one is called as the moment about mean. What is the meaning now? X minus A. Again, the deviation of x from A. In the point A, we are going to define it as two things. One about the origin and one about the mean value. We are going to define for x minus 0, which is x. Okay, and x deviation origin point 0 to 2. Okay, so x minus 0 is simply x. The other one what we will be discussing is x minus mean value. Mean like the values and discuss. So we are going to discuss two moments. Okay, take down. Moment about origin. Moment about origin. So remember the notations now. Okay, mu or dash. Mu or dash, or it can be written as E of x power r. E stands for the expected value. Okay, what is the meaning of E? Expected value. The expected value of x power r. So it will be defined as summation of x power r into E of x if x is discrete, and it is integral of x power r f of x dx if x is continuous. If x is continuous. Continuous. First case x is discrete. Discrete. We are having two variables, right? Discrete and continuous. For both we should know the formula. So this is called as the moment about origin. So mu or dash is nothing but or moment about origin. Okay, mu or dash is nothing but or moment about origin. So now we substitute r equal to 1. How will you call it? Mu and dash notation. How will you name it? Substitute r equal to 1. Maybe solve. First moment about origin. Mu or dash minus r moment about origin. Mu 1 dash means first moment about origin. Mu 2 dash second moment about origin. Mu 3 dash third moment about origin. So in a generalized formula, in this you are going to replace the corresponding r. The first moment about origin is called as the mean. Which is called as mean? The first moment about origin. So right? The first moment about origin. The first moment about origin is called mean. Is called mean. So right? Mu 1 dash is equal to mu equal to E of x is equal to average is equal to x bar is equal to. All these are different notations for mean only. You can write as mu 1 dash, or you can simply write as mu, or you can write as E of x, or the other word of mean is the average, or the other notation is x. So formula will be summation of x into E of x if x is discrete. Integral of x into f of x into dx if x is continuous. Now we are discussing up to mu 3 dash. Mu 1 dash, mu 2 dash using frequently. Mu 3 dash and other things are like cases. Okay? for mean, the notation is mu r. Mu r, simply mu r. The meaning of this one is you are going to find the expectation of x minus x bar the whole power r. X minus x bar the whole power r. So formula summation of x minus x bar the whole power r p of x if x is discrete, and integral of x minus x bar the whole power r f of x dx if x is continuous. General formula. This is the r the moment about mean. R the moment about mean. So tell me what is the formula for mu1 now? mu1 x minus x bar. The expectation of x minus x bar. What is the formula? Summation of x minus x bar into p of x or integration. Okay. So what happened is that mu1, the first moment about mean is nothing but expectation of x minus x bar. Okay. So expectation satisfies the linearity property. So you can split and write this as two values. Okay. You can write it as e of x minus e of x bar. Okay. What is x bar? Say what is x bar? Mu or mean. What is x bar? Mean. Mean is a constant or a variable? Constant. So always the expectation of a constant will be the constant itself. Okay. Expectation of constant is equal to constant itself. So this is simply x bar itself. Because x bar is a constant. What is e of x? What is e of x? Expectation of what is it? For expectation of x bar, I have changed it as x bar itself. What is expectation of x? U dash. E of x minus. See the various notations are given for mean. Mu1 dash is equal to mu equal to e of x is equal to x bar. Everything is the same, only the notation varies. What is e of x? The mean. So it is the same as x bar. So what happened to our answer? 0. Always the first moment about mean is 0, whatever may be the problem. Okay, always the first moment about mean is 0. So right. The first moment about mean is 0. This is the explanation why it is becoming